So I just showed up at my sister's house, and lo and behold, she's out here changing the oil on her pickup truck. What's up, Rosie?
What's up?
Hey! What's you doing?
Don't get me spilling the damn oil, because you know I'm going to. I mean, change the oil in two of my vehicles at home than it is to take it to the shop. And I know it got changed.
She got her nails did. She's getting her nails done.
It's the best cuticle oil you can get.
Hey, look at those toenails.
Hey, don't look at the gators.
That's a free foot shot. You don't even need OnlyFans. Oh, hell, I wasn't even recording it. That's my mama. Let's take a look at her truck. Let's see, well, we got a lunchbox here, a hair dryer there.
Say what? Being funny.
You look at the motor, it don't look like a motor.
No. That's the difference.
And that's the cell phone charger.